This is another wireless speaker by Kankei, a brand that keeps on dropping bangers. Now this guy is supposed to be waterproof, it's supposed to be pocket sized, and it's supposed to be magnetic so you can stick it on to a bunch of different metal surfaces. So let's get started with the unboxing. This is the actual speaker and it comes with this metallic ring. It's got double tape on its back. If you take this cover off, you stick it to any surface and then that can become your permanent holder for the speaker. You can just put it on and it just sticks instantly. It has a built-in mic, which means you can still answer calls even if it's connected to your phone, and because it's waterproof, the charging port is actually sealed with this silicone cover and you have to actually pull it back to uncover the charging port. And once you're done, you put it back and it's waterproof again. The silicone cover is actually a loop that you can use to hang your speaker to your bike or anything that you want. When they said this thing was pocket sized, they were not kidding. You put it in your pocket and you still have a lot of space if your pocket is as big as mine. The power button is in the back and you can actually change the lights by clicking the power button once. Now all that sounds pretty cool, but a speaker is only as good as it sounds, so let's give it a test.
My ties, baby, give me two. Sunlight days while I sip my juice. Ice cream girls on a watermelon coupe. Palm Beach vibe when the baseline loops. Dropped out with my inside crew. Candy painful, body all blue. Sunshine bright, my room's 22.
I didn't expect a speaker so small to produce that much sound. This thing looks cool, it sounds good, it's got RGB lights, it's waterproof, it's got a mic. Doesn't get much better than this, I think.